Hello everyone. Today we will see how to log a cell in Excel. So let's start. Here we can see some data of school, first name, last name, full name, age, and total marks of the students of ideal school. Uh, So now the condition is the teacher has decided that every student will be awarded a grace of 5. Okay, so everybody, we have to add this 5 to everybody's total marks. So how we can do that? Very easily. We are selecting this column. Right, for to write a formula, we start with equal sign. Click this plus this one. Okay, then press enter. 235 plus 5 is equal to 240. So select this one and drag it to here. Okay, so you'll see 235 plus 5 is equal to 240. So 285 plus 5 is equal to, it should supposed to be 290, but still it is 285. That is, 5 number is not added here. Same thing, 255 plus 5, it should be 260, but it is 255. That is, 5 number is not added here. From second to last data, 5 number is not added. Why this happened? Because excel follow uh, excel works rationally. Goes sequentially. Okay, when we have typed this formula and we dragged it through here, then all this formula is copied everywhere. That is here, how this formula generated, this value plus this value. Okay, then third, this value plus this value. Every, in every step, uh, it because the cells are not locked yet, so 240, 235 is appeared here. So here, as it works rationally, 285 is appeared here, 255 is appeared here, but same thing will be applied here also. That is, for first data 5 is applied, that's why it becomes 40. But second data, you see, e6 means 285, and h2, h, this is 1, this is h2. Okay, so h2 is completely null, empty, because every column, if it is not locked, then every column, every data will go rationally, sequentially. So only this first data is right, and from here it is wrong. From here it is taking only this data and this data. For third one, this is taking this data and this data. All these are null, and that's why it happened. So what we should do, we want that in every step this data should be taken, so we don't need to lock this any of the this data, but we have to lock this one. So how we can do it? Very easily, uh, we have to go right here. So e5 is this value and h1 is this value. We have to lock this cell. How we can do that? This is h column number, so we have to lock column. Before h we should give a dollar sign, shift for dollar sign. Okay, so the column is locked. Now we have to lock row wise. Okay, so the row number is 1. So before 1, we have to give another dollar sign. So this is how this cell is locked. Now to copy this formula and paste everywhere, we select this and drag through here. You see, now in every step, this cell has been locked. First, e5, e5 plus h1, this one. Secondly, e6, e6 to 85 plus still h1. Okay, that is 290. Now it's right. If we consider last, e35. Okay, e35, but it has taken h1. So this is how we have to log the cells uh, to serve our purpose. um, we will give you some more projects on this. in the future that will clarify this situation more. So that's all for today, and thank you very much.